Hey everybody, it's Norris with the Norris Group. It is February 24th. It's already almost into February. And are you doing upgrades to your properties that might be more senior friendly? That and much more as we cover the biggest headlines in real estate. You don't want to miss the radio show and podcast this week. We've got Tony Alvarez talking about how he got into the business, how he got into the REO business, and some good advice that Bruce Norris gave him, and when he started selling his properties. Don't miss that. You can catch us on iTunes, on Google Play, and probably your favorite podcasting service. The latest S&P Dow Jones indices showed default rates for bank cards were at their highest in almost 4 years. Existing home sales increased 3.3% to 5.69 million last month, their highest in 10 years. The Mortgage Bankers Association reported a 2% decrease in mortgage applications. The California Association of Realtors reported 1.9% increase in pending home sales for November. The FHFA released their latest report showing a 1.5% increase in home prices in the fourth quarter. And finally, mortgage rates are staying steady. 30-year rates are at 1.6% and 15-year rates at 3.37. As we all know, Fannie and Freddie had a bailout during the crash. They've reported profits since 2012, but that profit has been funneled back to the U.S. Treasury, leaving stockholders out of the profit loop, not making them very happy. So major shareholders have gotten together to sue the government for what's called the net worth sweep. Unfortunately, the federal appeals court in Washington sided with the government-sponsored enterprises, and oh well. So it's back to the drawing board, and there's no word yet on how the Trump administration really plans to address the GSE, so we're hoping that comes in the next few months. According to the latest report from Zillow, California doesn't have a lock on the sunshine, and wealthy Californians obviously pay a lot more taxes, so maybe that's why some other states are getting a lot of attention. Last year, San Francisco and San Jose led the way in markets that were the fastest appreciating. Well, this year they are towards the bottom. Nashville, Portland, and Tampa all reported the fastest growing home values. Other fastest growing cities include Dallas, Orlando, Detroit, Las Vegas, and Miami. Freddie Mac released a report this week about the challenges of aging in place for millions of retirees. Freddie Mac's survey did a survey of 55 plus and over, and 75% indicated they plan to age in place. Well, 75% of those said their homes are not accessible for people with mobility issues like arthritis or a wheelchair, and those repairs can cost something like 40 times more than the average simple rehab. So retrofitting to accommodate seniors with mobility issues is going to start becoming more of an issue. So we're talking about wide hallways, doorways, single-story ramps going into doorsteps or steps up into showers. Are you doing any of your rehabs to keep this in mind? Are you buying more things that are single story? I'd like to hear from you what kind of properties you're buying and if you've got seniors on the brain. If you're on YouTube, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat. If you're on Facebook, please don't forget to not only like the Norris Group page, but don't forget to add us to your See First list and with notifications on. Leave your comments below the video. And if we miss something, share the story on our comment sections on either YouTube or Facebook, and we'll make sure to include it on our blog at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. We've got some upcoming events. March 7th, the 2017 Real Estate Market Forecast. We're going to be doing that in Ontario. That is an event that we're going to be sharing a stage with Christopher Thornburg and John Husing. It's at the Ontario Doubletree. More information on that is on our website. March 8th, 10 life-changing days of a real estate investor. We'll be doing that up in NorCal REIA. March 9th, I'm going to be doing 2 major trends for marketing dominance in 2017. That will be with OC REIA. April 10th, we'll be doing the 10 life-changing days out at South LA REIA, and April 20th, 10 life-changing days, we'll be doing that at Pasadena Phoebe. So a few times you'll be able to catch us in Sacramento, LA, and Orange County. For more information on hard money loans, including fix and flip, buy and hold, and new construction starting at just 6.9%, check out thenorrisgroup.com. And for investors in Sacramento, we are doing hard money lending in Sacramento. Our 8.9% program may be for you. Check out the website, or you can always call for more information. For details on trust deed investing passively with trust deeds, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. With that, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.